How does a light wave act like a wave and particle? Light is pretty broad. It can decide if it wants to be a wave or particle, so it just decides to be both. If you set up an experiment designed to find a light wave, you'll find one. Or if you design an experiment to find a particle, you'll find one. Reflection. Reflection is when light bounces off a clear object. Transmission. Transmission is when light passes through a clear object like window or glass. Absorption. Absorption is when light gets absorbed in the dark.
Hello everybody. So for this video, we're gonna be explaining how sound waves work and what they are and how do they work. So in this example that I'm showing right now, there is a microphone, a speaker, and when I press the speaker, it's gonna make a sound, as shown. And when that speaker makes sound, it vibrates the particles, and those other particles, vibrate and collide with other particles. And how you can hear the sound is those particles vibrate through your ear and collide with your eardrum, and that's how you hear sound, and that's how I'm going to show it in the next example. In this example, I'm showing how the distance you are from the source of a sound is different. For example, if I put the amplitude here, which controls the energy of a sound wave, and I put the hertz higher, which controls the pitch of a sound wave, and we press start. So from far away, the listener is hearing a quiet sound, and the closer she gets to the source of the sound, the louder it gets. And this is because this works like that because the sound vibrates the particles like closer to you, so that's why you're gonna hear it faster than you are far away. Because if you're far away, the particles are gonna lose energy and they're gonna stop vibrating, and you'll faintly hear a sound, but it won't be as loud as the closer you are. This example, I'm showing the parts of a sound wave. Okay, so start up. This right here is a rest, which is the line that the sound wave goes through, right here. And this is the truth, something like that. And that's the lowest part of a wave. This is the crest. This is the highest part of the wave. The amplitude, which is what controls the energy of a sound wave, is the rest to crest. And the wavelength is crest to crest. And that's it.